Hi students, this is our sixth class. Let us start with example 3.6. Solve 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 1, minus 2x minus y minus 2z is equal plus 2z is equal to 1, minus x minus y plus z is equal to 2. Solution: given 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 1, let it to be equation 1, minus 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, it will be equation 2, minus x minus y plus z is equal to 2, let it be equation 3. So we have to eliminate any one variable. Already told you we have to eliminate any one variable, either x, y or z. Here I will eliminate the variable y by adding 1 and 2. There is 1 plus 2 implies, right? Once again write the equations. 3x plus y minus 3z is equal to 1, and second equation minus 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1. Now add the coefficients. So 3 minus 2, that is 3x minus 2x is equal to x. Then y minus y gets cancelled. Then minus 3z plus 2z is minus z. That is minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. There is no need to write 1, minus z. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Let it to be equation 4. Next, 1 plus 3 implies, I add 1 and 3. I write once again the equations. 3x minus y minus 3z is equal to 1, minus x minus y plus z is equal to 2. So add the coefficients. So 3x minus x is 2x. Then y minus y gets cancelled. Then minus 3z plus z is equal to minus 2z. This one. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. That is minus 2z. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. We get the equation. We get an equation 2x minus 2z is equal to 3. Let it be equation 5. Now we have to solve 4 and 5. By solving 4 and 5 we get, see the equation 4, x minus z is equal to 2. See the equation 5, 2x minus 2z is equal to 3. So we have to eliminate any one variable, either x or z. So to eliminate x and z, so what we have to do, we have to multiply the equation 4 by 2. This is the fourth equation given in the green color. I multiply this equation by 2 on both sides, that is 2 into x minus z. 2 into x minus z is equal to 2 into 2. So simplify this, multiply 2 inside. What happens? 2 into x, 2x, then 2 into minus z, minus 2z is equal to 2 into 2, 4. I write the fifth equation as it is. 2x minus 2z is equal to 3. So simplify this. If you subtract, what do you get? 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. That is, sign should be changed. So this becomes minus. If you subtract this, this positive sign becomes minus, and minus becomes plus, then this becomes minus. So forget the old signs, remember the new signs. What happens? 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Then minus 2z plus 2z gets cancelled. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we get 0 is equal to 1, because here 2x cancel, then 2z cancel. So here we get 0 is equal to 1. Already we saw in the note, we get 0 is equal to 1. Already we saw in the note, it contradicts to 0 not equal to 1, because we know that 0 is always not equal to 1. If it is equal 0, if we get 0 is equal to 1, so it is a false equation. So according to that note, already we saw this. According to the note, so if you get the false equation 0 is equal to 1, so this system has no solution. So we conclude that this system has no solution. This is the answer. Now we pass on to next problem. Example 3.7. Solve. X by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. Then second equation, y by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 13. So see this question. Here we have to equate. Now we have to form the two equations using the first equation, that is x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1. This is one equation. Then another equation, x by 2 minus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. So using this we form two equations. Now we see the solution. Given x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1 is equal to 2 z by 7 plus 2. Let it to be equation 1. I write this equation 1 into two equations. That is x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1. This is one equation, this one. Then second equation, x by 2 minus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. Now we form, this is not in the form of the equation, so we have to form, we have to write this in type of equation, in the form of equation, that is in the linear form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or ax plus by is equal to c, whatever it may be. So simplify this. What do you get? X by 2 is equal to, that is we have to take LCM. How can we take LCM? That is x by 2 minus 1 is given. I take LCM 2, then cross multiplying this, what do you get? X minus 2. This is x minus 2 by 2. That's why I write x minus 2 by 2 here. Okay. Next, on the right hand side, what is given? Y by 6 plus 1. Y by 6 plus 1. I write here, that is y by 6 plus 1, which is equal to, take LCM 6, then y. So here cross multiplying this, 6 ones are 6, that is plus 6. So how can I write this? Y plus 6 by 6. That's why I write here y plus 6 by 6. I understand this. So now we have to simplify this. How can we simplify? 2 ones are 2. 2 one time, 2 3 time. What is remaining? X minus 2 is equal to y plus 6 by 3. So I explain here by in written, that is x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y plus 6 by 6. So if you transform this, what happens? This 2 becomes multiplication. So or you just simplify this here. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. What is remaining? X minus 2 is equal to y plus 6 by 3. That's why I write here x minus 2 is equal to y plus 6 by 3. So next, cross multiplying this. Cross multiplying this, what happens? That is, we get this one, x minus 2 is equal to y plus 6 by 3. So cross multiplying this, what do you get? 3x, 3 into x minus 2 is equal to y plus 6. Then multiply 3 inside. What happens? 3 into x, 3x, then 3 into minus 2 minus 6 is equal to y plus 6. Then I write 3x as it is. 3x, transform the terms, that is 3x. I write plus y. I transform y to this side. What happens? This positive y becomes minus y is equal to, I transform minus 6 to this side, it becomes positive, that is 6 plus 6. That is 3x minus 3x minus y is equal to 6 plus 6. So simplify this. 3x minus y is equal to 12. We get an equation. We get an equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Let it to be equation 2. Also from equation 1, we take this one, x by 2 minus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. We have to simplify like this one, that is x by 2 minus 1 is equal to y by 6 plus 1. We have to simplify like this. I write once again the equation, x by 2 minus 1 is equal to z by 7 plus 2. Take LCM here, that is x by 2 minus 1. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM, and cross multiplying this, x minus 2. We get x minus 2 by 2. I write x minus 2 by 2, this one. Next, z by 7 plus 2 is given here. So here also take LCM, that is z plus, sorry, z by 7 plus 2 is equal to, take LCM 7, so z, this one is z, plus cross multiplying this, what happens, 7 to the 14, that is we get z plus 14 by 7. I write here z plus 14 by 7. Then simplify. So we have to cross multiply this. Multiply 7 here, that is this is of the form, this is in the form x minus 2 by 2 is equal to z plus 14 by 7. 14 by 7. So cross multiplying this, what happens? Cross multiplying this, 7 into x minus 2, then 2 into z plus 14, 2 into z plus 14. Then multiply 7 inside. Multiply 7 inside, what do you get? 7 into x, 7x, plus into minus minus, 7 2s are 14. Likewise, 2 into z, 2z, then 2 14s are 28. Then separate the terms. I transform 2z here in left hand side, and minus 14 2z here, that is this positive becomes negative. Then minus 4, I transform minus 14 here, what happens? Negative becomes positive, that is I transform minus 14 here, what happens? It becomes positive. Simplify this, what do you get? 7x minus 2z is equal to 28 plus 14 is 42. It will be equation 3. We get an equation 7x minus 2z equal to 42. We get equation 3. Also given the second equation, that is given in the question, this one, y by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 13. Here also simplify this, that is y by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 13. So take LCM here, what happens? 3 2s are 6, multiply the denominators, 3 2s are 6. Then cross multiplying this, what do you get? 2 into y, 2y, then 3 into z, 3 into z plus 3z is equal to 13. That's why right here 2y plus 3z by 6, 2y plus 3z by 6 is equal to 13. Simplify this, 2y plus 3z, put as it is, then transform by 6 here. Here 6 is in division, if you transform it becomes in multiplication, 13 into 6. 13 into 6, what do you get? 78. That is, we get one more equation, 4 2y plus 3z is equal to 78. Now we have to solve equations 2, 3 and 4. So we have to eliminate z from equation 3 and 4. We get, eliminating z from equation 3 and 4 we get. So to eliminate, what is necessary? Coefficients must be equal. So note here, note the equations 2, 3, 4. Here one variable is missing in these equations. So in this equation the variable z is missing. In equation 3, in this equation the variable y is missing, and then in equation 4 x is missing. So how can we solve this? First we have to eliminate any one variable. That's why I eliminate z first by multiplying the equation 3 by 3. That is multiply equation 3 by 3 we get. So I write an equation 3 in red color. That is 7x minus 2z is equal to 42. So multiply this equation by 3 both sides. We get, that is multiply by 3. We get 3 sevens are 21x, then plus into minus minus 3 to the 6z, 21x minus 6z is equal to 3 into 42, 126. Then fourth equation, I multiply fourth equation by 2. I multiply fourth equation by 2. Fourth equation written in blue color. This one, fourth equation, which was multiplied by 2 on both sides. Multiply by 2 on both sides. So multiply 2 inside. What happens? 2 into 2, 4y. Then 2 into plus 3z. 2 3s are 6z. Then 2 into 78, 156. If you just add the coefficient, so z is eliminated. So 20, what is remaining? 21x. Write 21x as it is, 21x. Then plus 4y. Then minus 6z plus 6z cancel. It becomes 0. Then 126 and 156. Add this. What happens? What do you get? 282. 126 plus 156 is 282. We get one more equation. 21x plus 4y is equal to 282. Then multiply equation 2 by 4. We get, I write the equation 2 in green color. This one, equation 2, which was multiplied by 4 on both sides. 4 both sides. What do you get? So multiply 4 inside, what happens? 4 into 3, 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 into x, 12x. Then 4 into plus minus y, that is minus 4y. Minus 4y. Then 4 12s are 48. Just add the coefficients. 21x plus 21x is equal to 33x. Minus 4y plus 4y gets cancelled. Then 282 plus 48 is 330. If you simplify this, what happens? 31 one time, 31 10 time, 330. So we get x is equal to 10. We get the value x is equal to 10. Now we have to substitute this equation x is equal to 10, equation 2 we get. I write the equation once again. 3x minus y is equal to, instead of x I write 10. So 3 tens are 30. 30 minus, and that is 3 into 10 minus y is equal to 12. So 3 into 10 is 30. 30 minus y is equal to 12. So transform 12 to this side, what happens? Positive becomes negative. 30 minus 12 is equal to, then transform this y minus y to this side, what happens? Minus y becomes plus y. So 30 minus 12 is 18. 18 is equal to y. So y is equal to 18. We get one more value for y. So y is equal to 18. Now we have to find the remaining value for that is for z. Substitute the equation x is equal to 10 in equation 3. We get, I write once again the equation 3, 7x minus 2z is equal to 42. Instead of x, I write 10 here. So 7 into 10 minus 2z is equal to 42. 7 tens are 70. Then minus 2z I write as it is equal to 42. Then transform 42 here. What happens? 42 plus 42 becomes minus 42. 70 minus 42. Then transform minus 2z here. Minus becomes positive plus 2z. So what we get? 70 minus 42 is 28. So 28 is equal to 2z. Now we have to simplify this. 2 ones are 2, 2 14s are 28. So we get 14 is equal to z. I write z is equal to 14. So we get all the three values. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 10, y is equal to 18, z is equal to 14. So this problem is over. So rest here. We shall continue in this class. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and share this video.